The magic of words, A, B, C, each one a shining star. I is for idea, a spark in your mind. J is for journey, of every kind. K is for kindness, written in lines. L is for love, the greatest sign. M is for magic, hidden in text. N is for now, what will you write next? O is for open, the door to your soul. P is for power, your words are whole. The world is made of letters, an adventure starts from A to Z. Your words create a brand new universe. The future is drawn by your letters. This is the magic of words. A, B, C, the symbol of freedom. Q is for question, what can you find? R is for rhythm, the beat of your mind. S is for story, shaped by your pen. T is for truth, again and again. U is for universe, built from speech. V is for voice with power to reach. W for wonder, so wild and wide. X marks the treasure we hold inside. Y is for you, the maker of dreams. Z is for zenith, your word still gleams. A to Z we spin the magic, draw the stars with the words from your heart. The alphabet is a map of tomorrow, the world opens through your letters. This is the magic